welcome to FDF Toyota 86 lock kit unboxing. Got the box here. I actually bought this directly from the FDF website and the Canadian website. It cost around $2,150 I think for the kit and postage to Australia. So I actually looked at getting it through Drift HQ, and for some reason the postage was around $1,700 and the kit is about $1,850. So that's obviously completely out of the question. But FDF, the postage was around $270 and it came within 2 weeks. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Some sort of instructions. I also bought these Mantis angle stickers that go on the guards. Heaps of packing. Rock limiter spacers. Cute. Caliper spacers ×4 Ackerman plates. Not sure what that is yet. These are obviously our knuckles. Oh, that's heavy. And then the LCAs will be underneath. Let's grab a knife and get into these knuckles. Knuckles! All comes premiumly wrapped. No chance of any of it getting scratched or dinged up. Box. Alright, we'll start cutting this stuff open. I believe these will be the LCAs. FDF knuckle, and that looks good. The welds. These come already as a 50mm off-center stock, so these are gonna. I run a spacer on my car, but we won't be needing that anymore. These are gonna be offsetting that for 50mm. See what this stuff is. That's some part of the LCA. Outer tie rods. So we have got just a little some stuff that comes in these bags. Rock limiter spacers, caliper spacers, Ackerman plates. Comes with a FDF sticker. Came with this QR code thing. I scanned it but nothing came up. Like I mentioned before, the Mantis angle stickers that I bought. It was 25 bucks for the stickers. Front of the knuckle where the hub will attach to. Got the sweet FDF. This is just their standard colour, but you can get this in any colour. You just have to write a request when you buy it. Outer tie rod connect behind the knuckle. We've got our what will make up the lower control arms, and then we have our outer tie rods. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I bought these. Well, they came with the kit. Outer tie rods will go on there. Keep an eye out on the channel because I'll be doing a full install video on the FDF Mantis basic lock kit for the Toyota 86 BRZ or Scion FRS if you're in America. So yeah, keep an eye out for the channel and we'll get it all installed and we'll get it out for a wheel alignment and then we'll test it out on the track.